Okay. Okay, one more time again. So, how about this? Oh, what can we find in the water, Ethan? What can we find in the water? Hmm? What is that word? We can find it in the water. Hmm? What is that word? We can boat, right? The boat. And like what is teacher doing? What am I doing with my hand? Like what is that, Ethan? See what I'm doing with my teacher's hand? What am I doing, Ethan? What am I doing with my hand? Like
Read a book.
Read a book, right? Read a book. And of course, let's say if I want to, what am I doing, Ethan? Like, just this. Like you see a tree, right? Or you see many trees. What am I doing, Ethan?
Climb trees.
Climb trees, right? Okay, so Ethan, thank you very much. That's very good, huh? Here's a little 1, a 2, and a 3, huh? Okay.
Yay.
So Ethan, let's go read the words one more time again. 2. What's number 2? Activity. Number 3. Let's go. Number 3. Yeah. Soap. 4.
Parents. Coach. Soccer.
Up. Play.
Play soccer. Read a book. Draw. Climb trees. Boat. Play music. Roll.
All right, Ethan. Huh? Good work there, huh? So Ethan, keep practicing for your words for Monday or tomorrow, huh? Because like your mommy said, you need to remember those words. And looks like you can remember them, okay? And that's a good thing. All right.
Okay.
So